Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. This is a presentation. Shiny light on them.
Shiny light on it.
5 gilding around here. Yeah. Shiny light on chop around here. 5 gilding. Alright, look here. Look here. We're giving them some baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on. You hold them baby. Hold them baby. Yo. Shiny light on them. Shiny light them. Oh, now for sure, baby. You know one not take here. Hold the blood clot, baby. Yeah. Oh, it's big, you know. Share the baby, share the baby. You don't get no baby. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. You don't get in, no. You don't care, so I don't give no baby. You don't blood clot. That's why I do, that's why I do. Shiny light on him, shiny light on him. Yeah. Uno go fight war. Uno. I don't know sign up it.
So one of those men shown in the video that I just presented to you gave those men shown in the video dollies or toys and tell them Happy Father's Day. Him no easy, you see? You see that word gelding? Yeah, that word gelding, you know? Don't call anyone gelding. No, don't do it. You see what I say? Don't do it. Anyways, look a joke better than quarrel still, viewers and subscribers, you see? Alright, and big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, I'm here again, you see it? Alright, so let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, and I have more videos I'm going to present to you, and I'm going to tell you from right now that some of the things shown in these videos that I'm about to present to you might be somewhat shocking to some of you, my viewers and subscribers, alright? The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man along with other things tied up with rope in the back of a moving motor vehicle. I can't begin to tell you how I think it is dangerous, viewers and subscribers. No one should ever do something like that. I think it's really dangerous. Anyways, the video is not really a long video. You know, I'm going to present the video to you right about now. Let me know what you think about this video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Suppose the vehicle go up a hill and those things rush down on the person and squeeze him. Suppose the vehicle drop in a pothole and the rope grab him neck. Those are the things I'm thinking about. See? It's dangerous. No one should ever do something like that. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is about an incident where it is said that a man kicked a Jamaican woman in the chest area. You know, I don't want to really mention exactly where within the chest area, you know. Yeah, it is said that the incident happened somewhere within the United Kingdom. See it? And I got the understanding that this video had been posted somewhere on social media from last year. So this incident is not really a recent incident that happened, you see it? One of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And you see me, Dancehall skilla, I do not respect no man who hurt women. No, I don't respect no man who hurt woman. No, none at all. You see me I said? Alright, let me know what you think about this video or the incident. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
What happened? Man, give me a rash sticker while I'm going to say that freaking red. What kick you? One of them are working now. Don't go, where you kick your father?
Play no ground. Why kick off?
Man, don't come to me, move from here, son, man. You black, you make your friend a kick her, you know. Come back. You want to burn down a shop here today? Man, back up here, man. Yeah, when kick her for?
Get him, bring him up. Yeah,
man, call the police. Call the police.
I don't have any confirmed information as to what led to the point where the man kicked the woman. No, I don't have any information about that. You see me? And even some of the case viewers and subscribers, I still don't respect any man who hurt woman. You see me? And I'm not talking about self-defense, because self-defense is a whole different thing. You understand me? Yeah, but I don't respect men who hurt women. I don't respect that, none at all. You see? Anyways, let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah, them said the incident happened at a food store somewhere within the United Kingdom. Alright, so the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a person's hand touched and hold a frog. Yeah, the video shows a person's hand touching and holding a frog. Just like that, and the video is being talked about on social media. As simple as it sounds, the video is being talked about on social media, see? Now, in the comment section of one of the places on social media that this video has been posted, I got the understanding that some person said that I will not touch that, I will not hold that, I will not touch that. You see? Hey, I have a cousin who saw a frog and the frog jump on his foot. And the man run off. Lick down a banana tree, flat a ground. I talk about a tall banana tree, not a little one. I not call the name, him know himself, you see me? Alright, let me know what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Watcha. Hola. Nada. No prayer. A long time, I don't see one of them sitting here. I don't jump here. Hola. Yeah. Bahasa Musa. Prayer. Bahasa swell upon him type of sitting. Yeah, man. Put him down in back, get big. Yes, sir. That is some man favor, you know.
And I really still love viewers and subscribers. I don't think I would touch any frog, you know. No, I don't think I would. I've never touched a frog before. No, I've never. I've touched a snake before. You know, me even have a picture of it, but you know, I'm not going to present that picture to you, you see. Yeah. Alright, let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah, and I also saw a video that shows a person who is said to be mentally ill or homeless drawing on a wall. Some persons might call it a graffiti. You see me? So I wonder what the person really used to draw on the wall. You see me I say? Yeah, I'm guessing that the person used coal. Yeah, I'm guessing that the person used pieces of coal or coal. And if the person actually used coal to draw on the wall, I think it is amazing. Yeah, I think it is amazing if the person used coal to draw on the wall. You see me I say? And the person used something else to, you know, viewers and subscribers, you know? Yeah, the person used something else to make that white marking, you know? May I tell you have some talented people out there, you know? It's just that life not really so good for some persons out there, but you have a lot of talented persons out there, you see me? Alright, big up the person shown in the video drawing on the wall, you see me I say? Alright, yes, I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.